What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jaquisha Latisse. In today's video, we are going to do a quick weave with this curly hair. This hair is from my hair company, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all shop at the link below. But yes, y'all, can't wait to get into this video. But before we do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into this video.
I need you all to myself. Keep your focus, way I do it. Boy, you don't need no one else. And I'm really baby, know when I'm riding it slow. And my waterfall, I make it overflow. Make you forget all about them hoes. Don't need them. Ain't nobody else give it to you like that. I've been rewinding all the flashbacks. Tell me how it feels when I throw it back. Tell me again, or that you like it. Tell me again, maybe that you like it. Type of love that make you wanna wipe it up. Tell me again, maybe that you like it. I've been fucking up your conscience. Oh, living love with every part of us, and just not a nonsense. Can't nobody else give it to you like that. I've been rewinding all the flashbacks. Tell me how it feels when I throw it back. Tell me again.
I've been gripping on your waist, flexed up, trying to pin you out of place. Made love on a low key, now I'm trying to fuck it right day. Never leave my mistake, I'm just trying to get it paid. Just kiss for my next wish, let lock on my face. Okay, I like it. My price like it, that hurry silent, trying to fight it. She gon' throw it back, I'ma run and get a ring. Yeah, then she gon' open up and take one for the team. Yeah.
But I just like it. Tell me again, baby, that you like it. Type of love that make you wanna wipe it up. Tell me again, baby, that you like it. Tell me how I make you feel. Oh, she wants to be like I am. Yeah, tell me how I make you feel. Oh, they want to be like I am.
It's my love for my grandmother made me gentle when I care for you. It's my love for my grandmother made me.
Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I tried to do a quick weave. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you want more videos like this one. And I'll see you guys in the next video.